Welcome back, and now a look at the political happenings in the state.
Dargal MLA Babu Asgaonkar launched his manifesto in Dargal constituency. He was accompanied by many supporters. Asgaonkar has assured that supporters backing him will get a government job. Subhash Kerkar, independent candidate from Pedne, inaugurated his campaign office in Pedne. Kerkar says, though he has no political background, he will work for the betterment of constituency.
कोण माझे आमदार बी ना माझी कोण खासदार बी ना तरी पण आमका एक असे दिसता की समाजात कितें तरी बरें घडपाक जाय आणि हांगासर स्पेशली पेडण्यात की खूबशे अशे काही गोष्टी घडपाक जाय. हांगासर सगळ्यात मोठो जो प्रश्न आसा तो बेकारीचो प्रश्न आसा आणि बेकारीच्या प्रश्नाचेरूच आमी आमच्या अजेंडाचो पहिलो मुद्दो आसा.
Kurchade MLA Shyam Satardekar ended his 16 days door-to-door campaign in Kurchade. He claims that he has received good response during the campaign.
मागणी असतात ते मागणी संपूर्ण करपाक आमची इच्छा जरी असली की प्रतिसाद आमकां प्रत्येक घराक बरे तरेन मेळिल्लो आसा आनीक विजय हो आमचोच आसा हे हातूंत कांय वेगळे तरेन सांगपाची गरज ना. कारण जेन्ना आमी घरोघरी पावले तेन्ना डिफिकल्टी बारीक बारीक आयकल्यो कांय कडेन आमी काम केलें स्तुती मेळ्ळी.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club and Salgaocar Sports Club scored wins over Pailan Arrows and Sporting Clube de Goa respectively in the I-League on Sunday. Dempo took on Pailan in Kolkata and missed several opportunities against the Arrows, but Ranti Martins scored a second-half brace to keep Dempo firm on top of the I-League standings. Middle of the table sides, Salgaocar and Sporting had a dramatic encounter. Salgaocar were riding on a 2-0 lead till Ogbakalu pulled one goal back for Sporting, and moments later Salgaocar had two players sent off in a span of 5 minutes. However, the defending champions held on. Mid-table team Salgaocar and Sporting were expected to have a cracker of a match, and the teams did not disappoint. Both teams had adequate chances in the first half. Bhivan de Mello scored the first goal of the match and was grateful to the skies. In the second half, Tomba Singh scored Salgaoncar's second of the evening, but 2 minutes later, Ogbakalu dragged one back for Sporting. But thereafter, there was drama. Salgaoncar's Rahul Kumar was sent off in the 74th minute, and 79th minute saw Ishfaq Ahmed receiving his marching orders as well. Salgaocar down to 9 men. But a 9-man Salgaocar held on for dear life and all 3 points. This win propels Salgaocar to third in the table and seemed to be riding on a good vein of recent form. Sporting remain on 8th. It was expected that Dempo would go home with full points against a young Pailan Arrows side away at Kolkata, and they did just that. But the match was not all that clear-cut an affair. After 2 early yellow cards for both sides, Pailan with the side having a crack at Subhashish's Dempo goal, the custodian alert on all 3 occasions. Thereafter, Anthony Pereira had a couple of chances for Dempo. In the 34th minute, Pailan's custodian Naveen Kumar was sent off for this horrendous tackle outside his box on Koko Sakibo. But still, Dempo were kept away from the score sheet. Koko Sakibo here missing the chance of the season, quite similar to Fernando Torres' miss after joining Chelsea. Second half saw some newfound hope for the Blues, and Dempo's on-target man this season, Ranti Martins, laid the nerves to rest and scored 2 goals in the course of the second half. Jokia Branches came on for Koko. The India striker has been battling with injury this season, while in the 85th minute, Yusuke Kato made his I-League debut days after joining the Blues. The Japanese looked impressive in his short stint on the pitch. Dempo won 2-0 and are firm on top of the I-League table. The Bureau inputs, a reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.